Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Buzz, and in this video I'm going to discuss sounds of English, phonetic symbols of vowel and consonants. So let's start. There are 44 sounds in English, and out of 44 there are 24 consonants, 20 vowels, and vowels can further divided into pure vowels and diphthongs, and there are 12 pure vowels, that is also known as monophthong. Monophthong means a single sound and a diphthong means a double sound. So out of 12 pure vowels there are 5 long vowels and 7 short vowels, and 8 there are 8 diphthongs. So let's start with the vowels. Short vowels: e as in pet, a as in pet, a as in pet, as in fun, o as in pot, u as in put, a as in another. Long vowels: e as in bean, a as in burn, o as in born, u as in boon, a as in burn. Diphthongs: ear as in pear, air as in pear, oor as in poor, a as in bay, I as in by, oi as in boy, o as in no, ow as in now. Consonant sounds. So consonant can be further divided into different categories. So there are 6 plosives, 3 nasals, 9 fricatives, 2 affricates, and 4 approximants. If you want separate videos of all these different categories, you want definitions of all these, please write in comment box. Okay, so let's start with plosive sounds. P, b, t, d, k, and g. P as in pin, b as in bin, t as in tin, d as in din, k as in kin, and g as in gum. Nasals: m as in sum, n as in sun, ng as in sung. Fricative sounds: f as in fine, v as in wine, th as in thick, d as in this, s as in seal, z as in zeal, sh as in sheep, and z as in measure, h as in how. Affricate sounds: ch as in chain, j as in judge. Approximant sounds: l as in light, r as in right, v as in wet, y as in yet. So let's take a look on all the sounds together. Vowels: long vowels: e, a, o, u, a. Short vowels: e, e, o, u, a. Diphthongs: a, I, oi, o, ow, ear, air, oor. Consonants: plosives: p, b, t, d, k, g. Nasals: m, n, ng. Fricatives: f, v, th, d, s, z, sh, z, h. Affricates: ch, and j. Approximants l, r, v, y. So these are all sounds of English. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.